Hello, this is for the warm-up question on April 8th. So there are three statements based off of this problem, and two of them are correct, one of them is incorrect. So we have a shape, it is a parallelogram. That means that the opposite sides are running parallel to each other. So these are parallel and those are parallel. And to find the area of a parallelogram, you have to take the length of the base, the entire base, which of course would be the same as this distance, and you have to multiply it not by the slant, but by the height. So if I take the base here of 12.6 and I multiply it by the height, which is 10, now, because I'm multiplying by 10, I just have to slide my decimal over one spot. I would get 126 square centimeters as the area. So number one is true. Number three, it says the shape is a quadrilateral. That means you have a shape with four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's true as well. This one's incorrect, and they're trying to get students who make a mistake to realize what their mistake is. So some students like to multiply the base times the slant, which of course is wrong. So this should say 12.6 times 10, and then you would get the correct area, which was 126 centimeters squared. The reason that it works to take the base times the height is in a parallelogram. If I were to take this triangle, remove it, and redraw it over here, I would actually form a rectangle. And of course, to find the area of a rectangle, it's base times height or length times width. So you would take 12.6 times 10, and that's why your formula works.